Now that you have collected your sap, use clean food-grade containers to store it, and refrigerate the sap if you need to store it for more than a day. Sap spoils within a few days even when you keep it cold, so make sure to start cooking it as soon as you can. When you're ready to cook, start by filtering your sap. A piece of cheesecloth is enough to filter out any impurities or debris that may end up in your buckets or bags. Consider using reverse osmosis to concentrate your sap before cooking. Reverse osmosis devices are a cheap and easy way to reduce the time it takes to boil your sap down to the right sugar concentration. Next, boil your sap in a pot or pan with a large surface area to speed up the boiling and concentrating process. Be sure to keep the level of sap high enough in the pans so that you don't burn it. Wood and propane are common fuel sources. Whatever fuel source you use to boil your sap, make sure your setup is well ventilated and you have enough supply to get you through the whole boiling process. Use of a warming pan helps keep the evaporator pan at a rolling boil. A two-pan system is a great way to preheat your sap so that the concentrating takes less time. You can scoop out the foam that builds up while boiling, or add a drop or two of a defoaming substance to minimize the foam. Once the sap is about 7 degrees Fahrenheit above water's boiling point, use a hydrometer or other device to measure the sugar content of the sap. Match the line on the hydrometer to the temperature and sugar content. When your sugar content reaches 66.7%, it is time to bottle your syrup. Run your syrup through a filter before bottling to remove the mineral buildup, which is called sugar sand, and any other unwanted materials that may have gotten into the syrup while boiling. Filter and bottle the syrup between 180 and 190 degrees Fahrenheit to produce a shelf-stable final product. That's it! Your syrup is now shelf-stable and ready to enjoy. Visit maple.extension.wisc.edu/producers to learn more about all the steps in producing maple syrup.